Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webull Trading Simulator. First, open your Webull app and navigate to the Paper Trading section, usually found under the Menu or Trade tab. This virtual environment allows you to practice trading with a simulated $1 million balance, helping you understand market dynamics without financial risk. It's a fantastic way to learn the platform and test strategies before committing real capital. You can reset your balance anytime. Once in paper trading, you'll see your virtual cash balance, typically $1 million, ready for use. To place a trade, search for a stock, then tap the Trade button. You can choose to buy or sell, select your order type, and specify the quantity. Confirm your order, and it will execute in the simulated market. Regularly check your portfolio to track gains or losses and learn from your decisions. Webull Simulator isn't just for basic stock trades. You can practice with advanced order types, such as limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price, or stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. It also supports simulated options and futures trading, allowing you to explore complex strategies. Review your detailed trade history to identify patterns and refine your approach. To maximize your learning, consistently review your simulated trades. Understand why certain strategies worked or failed. When you feel confident and have a solid grasp of market mechanics, you might consider transitioning to live trading with real capital, starting small. Remember, paper trading is a tool to build confidence and knowledge. Also, for other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.